Morning guys. Now
गुड मॉर्निंग सुबह के 5 बजे गुड मॉर्निंग
good morning Tayai.
बोलो
Good morning guys. Today we have the topic on which we have to speak, that is fiscal prudence. So first guys, in the fiscal prudence policy earlier, Delhi government used to take the loan for their capital expenditure from the NSSF, yani National Small Saving Fund. It is a fund created by the government to take the loan. Means there is a state government who require loan, so central government will offer the loan to the state government, but the rate of interest was very high. Delhi government earlier used to take the loan from the NSSF, but now the Delhi government decided to take the loan from the public fund by involving RBI. Now Delhi government will take the loan from Reserve Bank of India, and the rate of interest will go down from 30% to around 7-8%, whatever it may be. And the Delhi government promising that they will use these fund in their capital expenditure. You can say the main 2 points that Delhi government mentioned. First is Yamuna rejuvenation, and the second is health infra. But in my opinion, Delhi government earlier has a lot of fund, but it should focus on their utilization, not to raise funding other things. Because we heard the news that Delhi government are not using their pollution fund, like they have the green funds to control the Delhi pollution, but they are not using in the proper utilize those funds in
government start taking the new scheme, right? The old scheme hold like government should ask for the central capital for asking the funds for Delhi infrastructure and anything, but you know the Delhi have two governments, central government and the main the face government. So
BJP.
they start taking, but the BJP got on the two way of the government. They control over the Delhi, so they start thinking that we change the infrastructure for doing this type of scheme. So they are launching the new scheme called new project. If I
Fiscal
say in the topic they try to say that we are going to on the Delhi's infrastructure things like taking funds, start बिल्डिंग लाइक रूरल एरिया बेटर और हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम और यमुना रिजर्वेशन जो 10 साल से ठीक ही नहीं हो रही. सो यही है कि इन्होंने सोचा कि नहीं, अब 7 जो हम 13 से 15% दे रहे थे, अब उसे हम कैसे कम करें, हमें भी तो कमाना है, बीच में हम भी तो हैं. तो ये है, तो दे स्टार्टिंग टू थिंक ऑफ बिकम. तो द पॉलिसी गोइंग टू बी लॉन्च ऑन 9 January 2026. So they are like not a big thing if you doesn't hurry or doesn't know the news well because the trend topic is not this. So yeah, that's my opinion. But let's say the
any opinion guys, if you have, if you can do comment
how to
that's
describe you all.